What's good, everybody? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you have an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm back with Digital Wealth Pros. I haven't done a video in a little bit for them. I have been very busy. If you've been following me, you know that I have diversified my portfolio. I'm dabbling in affiliate marketing, I am in affiliate marketing, and I have actually acquired some crypto projects that I am working as well. Okay, so we are growing and elevating. Okay, but I wanted to come back and do a video on Digital Wealth Pros. Okay, a new update. If you have not heard, all the members, paid members that is, we received an email from the company that we've got some great news, and I want to share it with you guys. This program has been around for a little bit now. They pay out $200 commissions, $400 commissions, and $800 commissions. So 3 tiers. Okay, but now they're adding a 4th tier to that. Okay, so that you can make $1,500 commissions. You heard me right, $1,500 commissions. Awesome. But they're going to give you a free upgrade. Okay, so you cannot beat this. Okay, free upgrade offer. All level 3 members will be upgraded to our new level 4 at no cost. If you at level 3, of course I'm at level 3. Okay, the platinum level where you're receiving the $800 commissions. If you're already there, no worries. You don't need to do anything. It's going to be an automatic bump. Okay, we're going to get bumped up to that 1997 level at no cost. This is as of October 1st. Okay, so if you join now at level 3, which is the 800, I like to call it the $800 level, is $997 one time, no monthly fees. You're going to automatically get bumped up to this 1997 level where you can make the $1,500 commissions. Okay, this is the program where they have the call center that will take your calls. All you need to do is promote the opportunity, and when folks go to the website, take a look at it, they're going to see your ID and the phone number to call customer service. So you never have to speak to folks. So your job is just to focus on marketing. Okay? And then the call center will answer all the questions, close the folks, sign them up, and have your members send you the payment. Okay, as you can see right here, here's my ID, 442-89634. Now, when they call you back, because a lot of times you may have to leave a message, don't worry, have no fear. Just leave a message with your name, let them know you're ready to get signed up. You have a few questions, give them my ID, and look for on the caller ID a possible 888 number. Okay? So if you see that, you want to answer the call. Otherwise, you guys are going to be playing phone tag back and forth. Okay? So be aware of that. All right? So this is very exciting news, guys. Very exciting. $1,500 a pop. Awesome. I think it's a great way to go into the last quarter of 2022. Great way to go out with a bang. Okay? Getting started here. $997. If you go there, sign up for level 3, you'll get the bump up. Okay, so let me go to the back office where you'll see we got the countdown going. Okay, let's check this out. Of course, at the time that I'm recording this, you got 15 days, guys, to get in this thing, get started before that new launch. Okay, the countdown for the new member level has begun. This new level will allow our members to make up to $1,500 commission per sale. Why is this information important to you now? All members that are at the $800 level, which I just explained, membership by the launch of our new level will automatically be upgraded to our new $1,500 level. Full membership giving you access to earn top tier commissions on every sale. If you're not at the $800 level 3 membership, now is the time to upgrade it. Take advantage of this free upgrade. It's a free upgrade. Pay $9.97 one time and get bumped up. And then you'll be able to make $200 commissions, $400 commissions, $800 commissions, and $1,500 commissions. And this is great, guys. Let's talk about the commission structure real quick. Now, of course, these different levels are digital products that you're actually acquiring. But what's really cool about this is you never lose money. Okay, never lose the wholesale. Let me say that. You never lose the wholesale. So in other words, if you come in at that first tier, okay, that $200 level, and someone purchases the $400 level, you're still going to make $200. Okay, but for those that are positioned to receive on all levels, you'll get those pass-ups. Okay, so if you're at the $200 level and someone purchases that $400 product, you keep $200 will pass up to your sponsor, and so forth. So if you're at the $400 and someone purchases the $800 product, $400 goes to you, $400 passes up. Okay, and that's what's going to happen with this new one, the $1,500 commissions. Let's say you at this $200. Oh my goodness, brace yourself, people that's in position. If you're at this $200 level and someone checks this opportunity out and they decide, you know what, I'm going to pay that $1,997 so that I can earn those $1,500 commissions, you'll make $200, and the rest, guys, will pass up in somebody's lap. That commission is going to land in somebody's lap. What's that, $1,300? It's going to happen because it happens now with the $200, $400, and the $800. So we know it's going to happen. So position yourself. If you're in this opportunity, go ahead and upgrade if you can. Okay? Just hate to see you leave money on the table. But this is going to be great for the fall. We got the holidays coming. People going to want to earn money for the holidays. Folks are going to want to get started in a home-based business, an online business going into 2023. This is going to be a great way to do it. As I stated, the call center is going to close all your sales, so you're not going to have to do that. Okay, that's the great thing about this. You just promote, not have to worry about, hey, if somebody calls me, what do I need to say? You're not going to have to worry about that with this opportunity. Okay, just do the marketing. They'll go to your page like this. If you use this system, this is a great system. I'll put the link in the description. This one has all 3 of these videos, okay, that explains this program very well. So by the time they get to the 800 number, the call center, it's going to be a breeze for them to close the sales. Okay, but that's not your concern. Your job is just to market, and the people will call the 800 number with questions, give your ID, and you get paid. And remember, with this program, you get paid any way you like, guys. Credit card, debit card, cash app. You decide. You set this. You set the tone on that. Okay, you set your profile up to accept whatever payment methods you want. This is your business. Okay, this is 100% commissions, member to member. No middleman. There's nobody that's going to pay you any commissions. The commissions are going to be paid directly from the person that purchases the digital products from your link. Okay, so get excited. Get started with this. If you can upgrade, do that, guys, so that you can be positioned to get these $1,500 commissions. All right. I've got some great things for folks that's going to get started. I've got a texting resource that I've shared. Some of you may know about it. We've got that. We've got some new solo ad vendors. So we're going to make sure when you join me that I am going to be getting the traffic sent, or we're going to do a text message blast, whatever you decide. I have a postcard. I've got to edit it now that they're going to be adding this new level. So for folks that want to mail postcards, I've got a awesome postcard that I've got to make some changes to now, but you can get that as well if you decide you want to get started with me as well. So again, the link is in the description. Get started with DWP. Be in position to receive these $1,500 commissions. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, be safe out there. See you in the next video. Have a blessed day.